Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's first problem is which of the statements concerning peptide bonds is false. And here's a variance of the answers, and let's check from the top. So variant A, the formation involves a reaction between amino group and carboxyl group. Take a look at this picture, and we see here amino group and carboxyl group. So this is true answer. So this is correct answer. Now let's check second variant. They are primarily bonds that hold amino acids together. Peptide bond, we call this bond here, which involves, as you see, carboxylic group of one amino acid and amino group of another amino acid. So here is a peptide bond, and this is what holds amino acid chain together. And the next variant, variant C, they have partial double bond character, and those you see here, single bond, but actually there is no rotation between carbon and nitrogen because it's considered to be partially double bond. So this bond is rigid. So this is also correct statement. And now, as you see, the only variant left, the formation involves hydration reactions. What we see here, one amino acid, another would join through peptide bond with formation of molecule of water. This is what we call dehydration condensation. So one molecule of water would be produced. So these two amino acids would join through dehydration. And reverse reaction would be hydrolysis or hydration reaction, when one molecule of water would be used to restore carboxylic acid and of one amino acid and is going to add hydrogen to this amino group of the other amino acid. So we say that this is hydrolysis or hydration reaction. Now let's read our question again. Which of the statements concerning peptide bonds is false? And the statement that peptide bonds formation involves hydration reactions is false because it involves dehydration condensation reaction, and hydration actually breaks peptide bonds. So this is going to be our choice. This is false statement. And next question, those being very simple, it's very easy to make a mistake here. Take a look how many distinct tripeptides can be formed from one valine molecule, one alanine molecule, and one leucine molecule. The common mistake would be to think as follows. First, I'm going to show you wrong answer, and then I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, so how to get correct answer. And the wrong variant would be to think that we have three places here. So this is going to be first, this is going to be second and third position of the amino acid, and in order to fill the first position we have a choice between valine, alanine and leucine. So we have three variants here. And in order to fill second position we also can choose between three amino acids, so we also put 3 here. And for the last position again it can be whether valine, alanine or leucine, so we also put 3 here. And we just multiply these 3 variants and we are going to get 27 variants. This is answer D. But this is wrong variant. Why? Because it can be true variant if we would have infinite supply or at least 3 molecules of each amino acid, for example 3 valines and 3 alanines and 3 leucines. Then we can get 27 variants how we can arrange them in tripeptide. But we are told that we only have one valine molecule, one alanine molecule and one leucine molecule. That means that we cannot have such variant, for example leucine, leucine and leucine, which would be one of the variants of 27 amino acid. And we cannot have, for example, leucine and alanine as a variant because we have only one molecule of each. So our combinations would be as follows. So this is first position, second position, and third position in tripeptide. So this is wrong answer. And in order to fill the first position, we are going to have 3 variants to choose from. And let's say we choose valine. So we have 3 variants to choose. It can be valine, alanine, and leucine. And let's say just by random chance, it's happened to be valine. Then, in order to fill in second position, we have now to choose only between alanine and leucine. So we have only 2 variants left. So we put 2 here. And if we use second molecule, that means that we only left 1 molecule. So for the third position, we don't have choice. This is going to be just 1 amino acid. In this case, we multiply all these independent probabilities, and we are going to get 6. 6 combinations is going to be the correct answer. And as you see, this is answer C. This variant of the answer is correct when we have only 1 molecule of each amino acid, and we can get 6. But if we have unlimited supply of each of these amino acids, or at least 3 molecules of each amino acid, then number of combinations is going to be 27. But again, according to our problem, we have only 1 molecule of each kind. So 6 variants only possible here. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video. Goodbye.